Okay. It is February 1st, Josephine's 10th birthday. It's about 11:20 p.m. at night, and it is a blizzard, or should we say snowstorm / blizzard of 2011. I'm going to go try to get some pictures. I'm going to take Butch out. Can't see through the windows because they are, as you can see, just really snowed up. Try to go by this street. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. You see it outside. Here we go. I hope I don't blow away. Let's see the dog go outside. There he goes. Oh my gosh. Alright, can you hear it? Oh. The snow's going up my leg. Oh. Yeah, okay. Can't really see that. Here we go. It is blowing. That's like the best view for the street lights. Oh goodness, look at it. Hold on. Little dog. Get back, hide in the house. That's the only way I'm gonna get a good picture. Alright. I mean, it's crazy. I'll take more pictures tomorrow during the daylight when the storm is hopefully finished. I don't know if you can hear that wind. It's crazy. It is just blowing. The wind is just like a hurricane. Dog, gotta go potty. He's full of snow. His face, you can't. You might better get him in the house. Are you going in, or you gotta go potty? Butch, you wanna go in? Alright, let's go. Come on. Yeah. I'll try to get a picture of him. He looks hilarious. When we go in the house. Alright. Oh my God, he's a big brown dog. And let's see. Come on, Butch. Look at Butch. Look at his face. It's full of snow. Look. Butch, look. He's just full of snow. And that's just being out there. A couple minutes. Butch, look at Mommy. It's just crazy.